Hey guys, we are going to install MongoDB on Windows 8.1. So let us visit mongodb.org site and download our appropriate packages or MSC installer files for Windows since I have Windows 8.1 and I am downloading it right now. And it may vary from OS and version. Try to find out your appropriate package to install and now installation starts. And I'm going to accept the license agreement, and next I'm going to do the complete setup for my computer and install. And the installation may take about 5 to 10 minutes. That depends on your computer processor speed. And now the completion and the completer, and the installation completer. And the next step is to move into your MongoDB from your program files, MongoDB from your command prompt. Just copy the address and paste it and verify that all the files extracted. And now we are going to check is there an existing MongoDB daemon running in our Windows system. Just check it on your task manager or services or background service and kill them before you are going to create such services in Windows. So visit this link to install in our Windows and create services for our Windows and execute these 4 commands. Make your notepad and just copy, and this is nothing but we are going to generate the log file and data file for our MongoDB. Generally MongoDB saves in the data folder in which you provide, and it doesn't access default, so you have to mention with configuration file. Whatever maybe it may be in Linux or Windows, you must mention the path where to store your data, register your database. Just copy these 2 lines and execute in your CMD. And since I am using the same current working directory, I am giving as mongodb.cfg and opening it just to verify that our entries are entered successfully, and we have got it. And next, create a data directory under Windows, whatever media directory, a DB and log directory, and create a MongoDB log file, MongoDB.log file that must be created. And now it's time to create a service. Just copy it and paste it here. So sc.exe and give the appropriate path of your MongoDB. Yes, program files, MongoDB, server 3.0 bin and MongoDB.exe. That's our daemon. And release was called as daemon in Linux. We are just adding it in our Windows as a service, where we'll be calling it as process ps in Linux, and I'm verifying it. Am I adding it correctly to our Windows service? And I'm giving the codes to escape the character escape. Yeah, I'm doing it that rightly. And then the configuration file is in our current working directory where the mongodb.exe resides, and I'm giving it a correct directory path and display name, and we can see the display name of our MongoDB as a service, which will be listed in our services, and just copy it and execute in CMD in administrative privileges mode. And I've got our service created successfully. It will be listed in services. Just I'm searching for the refresh button. I couldn't see it, and staying in action, refresh, and we'll be seeing MongoDB, and I have pointed out in Windows services, and I am generally starting it, start, and MongoDB is successfully started. Okay, Now let's just in our administrative prompt Mongo. Just type Mongo and you'll get a version number 3.0.3 and leave it at version of return yours 3.0.3 and you can change your DB whatever you like, use Twitter, use tests, whatever maybe, and display the show DBs. These are my old database that I have created in 2.6 MongoDB version. Just now imported, and thanks for watching.